A lot of times when it comes down to why homeowners make decisions on their home, especially exterior decisions, have to do with low maintenance. So you want a product to look beautiful, but you need to know that when you spend a large sum of money, it's gonna last, it's gonna be low maintenance. That's why most homeowners choose composite decking and metal railing versus wood, because wood siding is gonna warp, it's gonna bow, you have to stain it every single year. With composite siding, you don't have any of those problems, okay? So while it does cost a little bit more money up front, it looks great, it looks a little more modern. You don't have to stain every year, you don't have to maintain it every year, you don't have to worry about 10 years from now, 15 years from now, replacing the entire thing because it's so rotted, you have so many issues. So for Kansas City homeowners, composite decking makes all the sense in the world. It's more about, do you have the right installer that's educated, knows how to install it? And then, like, we offer a lot of financing programs at Fairway Exteriors, and a lot of our homeowners are choosing that to say, hey, I have enough money for wood composite decking, but I'm gonna finance just a $10,000 upgrade to go to composite because I wanna be done. I don't want to worry about being on the hamster cycle of constantly staining, constantly repairing wood rot, constantly worried about, is it safe for my deck? Is it safe for my family to go out and play? Is it safe for me to host a party 10 years from now because I have so much wood rot?